Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia and Weston-super-Mare, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic Traveller in the active specification. So this is an 8-seater vehicle that comes with sliding side doors and rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. On top of this, there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. Happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.